Hi guys, in this video, we learn what the abstract factory is and why we use the abstract factory. If you like this video, please subscribe for my channel. Abstract factory is a rational design button that lets you produce family relay objects without specifying their correct class. Imagine you are going to store furniture store. Your code includes the following class: a group of relay products such as tables, jars, table lamps. The above product have a slight variation. For example, tables, jars, table lamps will be a variable in the following variation: model, classic, Victorian. You will need to instantiate the object independently to accommodate it different clients. Also, you don't want to change the code when new products inside the catalog of furniture supply is tree when you don't want to change the code every time. We will use the abstract factory pattern to show it. First, we create interface that displays each product, table, jar, table lamp. Then we develop variations that inherit from the product interface, such as a model table, class table, variation table. Next, we create abstract factory, an interface with initializing on products such as tables, jars, and table lamps. Next, we develop subclass that include the relation variant. For example, factory modern will initialize modern relation products such as table modern, jar modern, lamp modern. The client code works with factory and product code abstract interface. It makes it easy to change factory and product variant without wrecking the client code. We have interface of type of products and subclass that inherit from products. We are coming to core of the abstract factory. We have interface abstract factory with constraint on the method to initialize the products. Next, we will initialize subclass that inherit from abstract factory to group product variants.